smart factory brings together smart people, intelligent equipment, precision processes, and advanced automation software systems.
Whether you're already considered a smart factory or you're in the process of adopting more smart manufacturing initiatives, you'll likely want to increase productivity, throughput, quality, yield, and OEE.
Semiconductor factories around the globe, including the most demanding chip makers, trust our automation software to help them reduce their manufacturing risk.
So if you want to build a product like the best, consider Peer Group for your factory automation. Connect your host systems to equipment and IIoT devices, enabling communication and data collection across your manufacturing floor.
Collect high-value data, including real-time data, in the EDA Interface A format, then manage your big data in a time series database optimized for large volumes.
Characterize equipment easily and develop station controllers quickly.
Install a customized MES to monitor performance and provide visibility into your operations.
Set up an automation capabilities management and testing program to ensure new equipment meets your automation requirements and gets into production quickly.
We think your factory automation software provider should help you provide solutions that increase production efficiencies and achieve your smart manufacturing goals.
If that's what you're looking for in an automation partner, contact Peer Group today.